So I'm just gonna tell y'all, this is like brutal as a driver, knowing that you left your entire team down. Bright and early Sunday morning, race day. We get Sean Langdon again, first round here in Sonoma. It is a little chilly this morning, but it's going to be good. It's going to be fast. We want 4 win lights today. Semifinals last week. We need to get to that final round. We need to win that final round. I tell you what, I'm excited. The car's running good. Just got to make the thing live. It'll go even quicker than it did in qualifying. Let's see if we can get it done today. So it's no question that I love moon pies, and these ladies every year for years now bring me moon pies. This year they may have outdone themselves. So we got a massive stack of moon pies. We got Millie's birthday present, and you two are a mess. They also brought me Clay's moon juice. Let's see the back of that. And you can see here, moon pies 100%, nitro 100%. Really 90 because I'll get in trouble if we run 100. Burnt rubber, 100%, RC cola, and bologna sandwiches. So, y'all are a freaking mess.
Of course. And then did you see our new shirts this year? Yes.
Moon Pie, Ziggy, Millie D, Top Fuel Stringer, Great Clips, Mark Rebilas, NHRA.
And then the back.
And of course, 25 pow pow, stomp on that loud pedal. Y'all are out of control.
Always.
But I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm stocked up for at least 2 days.
we said we...
All right, folks, round 1, racing O'Shawn Langdon again. Hope we have the same outcome we did last week in Denver. Doug, you feel better today than last week?
Yes.
Yes. Jeff, you ready?
Fired up. Let's go around, brother.
And we got Kim back here with us today. We've got some of our NASCAR family here with us, which is awesome. And we're going to go out here and do our thing. It's going to be a great day. We got a huge portion of the Parts Plus board are here watching. So we want to have a good day and show out for those guys. Looking forward to it. Let's do it. Well, y'all, that'll tell you the story. The car was absolutely ripping. Gets down near the finish line, blowed up. We lost on a hole shot. I don't know what the lights were, but 0.02 of a second at the finish line. We had it not blown up, but I should have done a better job leaving the start line. All there is to it. Race cars.
But it obviously has not gotten the ass out here by the time it gets to 3 seconds, because only 2:08 to the 3:30.
Oh, 2:08. 8:15, and I stole some from you.
2:08 and 2:97, and what should have been
2:92 or something.
Yeah, at least. You know, so that's at least 5 miles an hour slower. So if that was 5 miles an hour faster, that would have been 296 with an 8. Would have been even quicker. But it was giving up. Let's see if we can figure out who gave up.
Number 3. This one's broke out there, I can tell you that.
part that kills me. Watch this. Get rid of all this. Just real basic stuff. Engine RPM. And if we look at Sonoma from 19, our engine RPMs, and fuel flow, what we just did. Yep, how should that throw the rods out? The engine was really nice. Let's put up boost. Let's see how far out of bounds we might have gotten with boost. We're a little bit high on boost. 2 pounds. No, but we got another 100 RPM, so it's really only 1 pound high because the extra RPM, you know, we got more RPM out in the early part of the run than we did. Pretty fast drive, jab speed early. And in 19 it had more compression than here by only 2 or 3 thousandths.
Took out 3 and 4, and the small end of the rods are still intact. It looks like the pistons broke.
Burned up.
Burned up?
What? I'm asking, not telling.
Oh, I don't know. I just got it out of there.
So I'm just going to tell y'all, this is like brutal as a driver, knowing that you left your entire team's drag racing. I've been there, done this before. Didn't hit the tree good as I should have. Sean Langdon's one of the best. I should have done a better job than I did. Our car was fixing to make what could have been maybe one of the best runs in a long, long time. 8, 15, 60 foot. Look over here. 208 to the 330. 2.97 to half track. This thing was rolling, but it didn't make it, but might have relied on the car too much, just thinking we could outrun Sean, but Sean's a bad dude and he did a better job than I did. Our car was fast. I mean, we went 3.76 at only 281 miles an hour because it broke a rod. We'll figure this out. Sure does hurt though. All right, folks, so we had a ton of the Parts Plus board members here this weekend. So after we got our tail kicked first round, I made my way up to go hang out with all these people that are awesome, by the way, because that's how we're here. And I was watching when our buddy Tim Wilkerson in Buddy Car had a massive engine explosion. So I just made my way back and I didn't even notice this. There is a funny car in our pit area. So here's Tim's car. You can see this thing blew up, but big. Massive engine explosion. That is expensive, y'all. Big, big boomer for Tim. So they rolled their spare car out, obviously put this one over here in our pit area, and the Parts Plus team hopped in, gave them a hand. Yeah, that was a big boomer for Tim. All right, folks, a little bit of the aftermath of a rod piston braking kind of weekend. Got a really, really quick race car, but we got something going on, whether it's rods, pistons. So if you look right here, yes, that's ugly. While Sean absolutely tattooed me on the starting line, no two ways about it. He crushed it, and I stayed where I was. That was kind of just, that was my number. It is what it is, but had the car ran just a skosh longer, we were on a run that was definitely going to beat him. I mean, we went 76 at only 281. It's drag racing. It's frustrating, but it is drag racing. Been there, done that. I've won them on hole shots. I've lost them on the hole shots. Super proud of how the team is just like making this car rip and go down the racetrack. Appreciate everybody watching, tuning in. Me and Donna will continue our adventure of 20-some days on the West Coast. And we're going to have fun on the next little video too. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. It's very, very much appreciated. See you soon.